Oh, yes, it shocked me.
The coil's good.
Yeah, Alright guys, we're headed to Matt's house. We're gonna go work on that hovercraft we picked up. The goal today is to try and get the thing running, or at least pop over a couple times. The previous owner said it was running last year, but we looked in the gas tank and it did not look good. We're probably gonna pour that out today, see how bad it is, and go from there. We know it needs a couple things, but we want to make sure before we spend the big bucks on getting it a new skirt and throttle cables and steering and all of that, and really getting into painting it or registering it. Before we do any of all that, we're going to make sure that the motor's good. And if we can do that, then we're gonna be all in. We're gonna start buying stuff, start really cleaning it up. I think Drew is gonna print us some new vinyls for the sides and get all the graphics going real nice for us. And who knows? Maybe we do something crazy. Maybe we make it all black. Maybe we wrap it. Maybe we motor swap it. I don't know. We'll have to see. It's like us to know we're going to want it faster even before we've even ridden it. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys at Matt's. Hey guys, day 3. Matt and I are back working on the hovercraft. And today we're going to check the motor out.
And so we got all the covers pulled off. We just pulled the spark plug. Haven't checked it for spark or anything yet. But we got the carburetor off too. We're just gonna see if it has spark and put some starting fluid in it and see what happens. That's the plan.
So we'll start by seeing if we have spark. Matt, give it a heave.
See if it shocks you.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, yes, it shocked me.
Well, the coil's good.
Yeah, well, if the coil's good, we know. Well, yeah, let's just try it. Just stick it in there.
Did you not think that was going to happen?
Well, I thought that rusty bolt was enough.
You are a pretty good ground.
Yeah. It definitely works, that's for sure. No question there. We also need to fix the pull start because it's got a case of the dinglies. Good enough?
Good enough. All right. Give it compression. It's got spark.
I'm a little worried about it backfiring.
It wants to run when you do that.
Put it one more time with no. Yeah, let's actually check the plug. Because it might be a bad plug. Even though we had spark on the coil, because it was shocking me through the
boot.
Yeah, through the boot, which could also be a problem. Maybe not now, but could be a problem we're gonna have to fix before we actually really get going.
Plug's wet.
Yeah, definitely. Here. Stick it with the boot.
You sure it clicked?
No. This is either gonna light on fire or... Wait, hold on. No funny business. It's like touching.
No, I blew it out. It's not.
But it's too close.
It probably will light on fire.
It's too close. Oh, I need to spread it. Trust me, dude.
Scientific.
Hold on, I can't see it. Okay. Oh yeah, good spark now. Let's try that. I think it's too close, and I think it was really too wet. It's still not great. But I think it was the fluid was shorting it. Yeah, I put it on the list. Really? Everything, if you lose power, it crashes because you hit the ground. Oh, it popped. Hey! Do that again.
You got fire.
This is great with no oil, but go for it.
It's a 2-stroke. Yes, technically it doesn't have oil with either.
Pull. I can't.
Gotta give her the beans, Will. Flooded her.
Yeah.
You also gotta think it wants to be full throttle right now.
That's what I was giving it. One more, it'll go. Gotta fix that next.
I think it finally said goodbye.
Nothing? Can you give it a half pull? Hold on. Ever worked on a Rotax before?
I'm not an airplane mechanic.
Well, they put them in snowmobiles.
Ooh, that's convenient.
Well, we don't work on a lot of snowmobiles in Georgia.
Let's take this to the bench.
Ouch. Current problem. Our carburetor is missing the floats. So we're going to try and get those from the guy we bought it from, but we might have to buy new ones.
And they're expensive.
Oh!
That was the needle.
Retrieved.
Alright.
You got a 10?